real estate tokenization is a very real and a very up and coming thing happening in the blockchain space. Guys, you're going to want to stay tuned right to the very end of this video because there is a lot to talk about in this video, and I am hopefully going to be blowing your socks out the water or off your feet. And let's not waste any time. Thanks for my beautiful Crypto Bliss community for being here with me on the channel once a day, every day in every single way, making videos for you to get wealthier and wealthier and wealthier. Thanks for being here, part of me on the channel. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. And hope you guys do enjoy the video. Excuse me. Today we're going to be speaking about Quant. Quant is currently sitting at 37th. That's its logo. We've known its name. We've done it. We've done a couple of videos on Quant before about how Quant could get to about $20,000 per Quant. Insane, right? Well, let's go and see how we say it's going to get to that point. It's down 2.2% for the day. Against USDT, down 0.7% against BTC, down 0.9% against ETH. Very simple numbers. $1.5 billion market cap, $1.5 billion fully diluted valuation, 13.5 million trading volume, 14.6 million coins. That's it. There'll never be any more. There's 7 million less than Bitcoin. It also has 14.5 million coins in circulation, which are already there. Now, the all-time high on this coin previously was $427.42. We are down 75.75% from the all-time high, and we are about 5 years into this project, guys. 5 years already. What do you think this project is going to do in the future? Well, I'm going to show you what this project is doing today for the future. All right. So make sure to stay tuned for that because it's got a very, very high impactful energy on this cryptocurrency. And this currency is currently 48,000% from its all-time low 5 years ago, 21 cents. Imagine you bought it at 21 cents and you sold it up there, guys. What the heck wreck? All right, so today $100 of this coin will get you not even one of these coins. It'll get you 0.96. If you had to spend $1,000, it'll get you 9.66. And if you had to spend $10,000, you get about 96 of these coins. Now keep that in mind for when we go through the video right here together. Now, the previous all-time high market cap on this coin, just to give you guys some perspective, at that $427 price was about $5 billion. Guess where we are today? About $1.5 billion. So in other words, we're saying that this coin can only just to the all-time high would need to do a 3 and a bit X just to get up to that $427 price. But guess what? If we had to 3.5x the current market cap, we would only get to about $310, right? That's nowhere near it's close enough to the all-time high, but it's not there yet. And Quant is going to be absolutely explosive, guys. So make sure to stay tuned. I have so much to show you guys. Make sure to be here with me. So what is Quant exactly? Quant is the foundation of blockchain, the blockchain economy. They've definitely splooshed up their website a little bit. You can go and talk to them if you want. Unblocking all benefits for all. Assets of all kinds, from currencies to carbon credits, are being tokenized on blockchain. Financial institutions, enterprises, and their customers all benefit from assets whose ownership is immutable. Provenance is traceable and use is easier to manage. Entirely new digital economies are emerging as a result. Now, our patent technology makes this simple, trusted, and future-proof. Well, guess what, guys? This is from yesterday. Quant has been granted for a patent for chronologically ordering blockchain transactions. What does that mean? We have secured a new patent, part of our ongoing mission to make distributed ledger technology simple, trusted, and future-proof. Okay? A patent is an entirely objective seal that a firm is indeed a true innovator, which is why we're unashamedly excited about this. Helen Kmet, who is part of the general counsel of the Quant team, guys. This is amazing, amazing, amazing news for Quant. All right, let's carry on. So basically, Quant is an empowered, interconnected world where we help our customers dramatically reduce their time to market, create new revenue lines, and mitigate risk. So with that being said, you can see here, financial institutions, enterprises, partners, developers can literally all come on to Quant and build on Quant. So why Quant? We make blockchain simple, trusted, and future-proof. Let's move my camera up here for now. So interoperability, ease of use. They have a huge security, who the founder and the CEO have more than 20 years cybersecurity experience and C-level accountability as a CISO, CIO, and CTO, which is amazing. There's huge adaptability, programmability, and resilience on the blockchain as well. So the future of finance today is with Quant, without a doubt, guys. So go and check that out. Now, one of the coolest things that I actually want to go and show you, well, let us go and first have a little bit of a look at the chart, because this is some of the fun that I know you guys love with the channel. And make sure to make noise for me on the channel with a good thumbs up. And of course, if you guys want to trade this with me, make sure to hit my Bybit link down in my Bitflex and my Bybit link down in the description below so that you guys can come and trade this beautiful cryptocurrency with me. Now, this is the weekly chart. You guys can see that we are currently just ranging pretty hard on the same kind of $110 to $100 level at the moment. I would say the bottom is there at the 93. So 110 to 93, that's a $20 range within this zone right here, which is not bad. Okay, you can see we're under the 20, we're under the 50, we're under the 100. Now you can see the 100 is building quite a nice level of resistance for us. Sorry guys, along this level here. Okay, you can see how that is pretty much what the 100 would essentially look like. So the 100 is pretty much starting to flatten out. The 20 is pulling up closer to the 50, which tells me, guys, that we are getting ready for an absolute obliteration of a pump out there in the market. Now, here's the all-time high all the way up there, guys. Like I've previously said to you, if we go from here to the all-time high, that is a 313% pump, like I was talking about to you earlier. There is one little pit stop on the way, though, with a level of resistance, which would essentially be this level over here. I would obviously just have a moment of taking some profits. So your first level of profits would essentially be right at the top here, which would be about 110, 120%. So double the price of what it is today at about $215, $220. Would definitely take some profits, wait for it to retrace, re-enter, and then smash right up to the all-time highs, take some profits. So essentially, this is what I'm saying to you guys. I believe it will probably smack up like this, hit the target, pull back to the support on the 100 and the 50, and then smash right here, kind of hover around this level before we have a huge breakout to the top side of that level up there. That's what I see happening on the chart for Quant. Now, guys, this is one of the most coolest information that I've seen for Quant. Let's go and check it out, guys. Over here. Boom. So real estate tokenization, where brick meets mortar. I spoke on so many videos about Landshare, guys. I've spoken so many times about Landshare. I spoke about it on Crypto Dano's page, on his page. Go and check the interview. I spoke about Landshare on that page. I've been speaking about Landshare for more than a year already, guys. And this is where real estate tokenization, where brick meets the blockchain. So the concept of turning bricks and mortar into digital tokens may be in its infancy, but growing at a rapid pace, delivering great transparency, efficiency, and liquidity. There are regulatory and technical challenges ahead, though, which is okay. One of the most appealing aspects for property investors is the enhanced transparency. Okay, amazing, guys. So essentially, investors can buy shares of the property with fractionalization, just like with real estate investment trust or a REIT, okay? So you can buy fractions of the property and earn dividends on your fraction that you invested. The buy to flip market could be about to get disrupted, okay, which is amazing. I think that too. So there's plenty stuff that's happening here. Lenders also use tokenized assets as collateral for a loan. Around 4 billion of these loans have already been conducted with tokenization in Mexico, Kenya, Nigeria leading the way, guys. This is huge. Whether you like it or not, this is massive. Tokenized property moves into the mainstream. Today, 50% of people have heard about crypto, making it the second most famous asset. However, 46% do not trust it. This is probably because of a range of scams and scandals over the year, which is definitely very, very true. Now let's go and have a look at what I believe the price could end up smashing through the roof in the next bull cycle for us. Before I do that, an awesome shout out to Quant for their absolutely amazing technology that makes blockchain simple, trusted, and future-proof, like they say. They're building on Overledger, and if you want, you can follow the Quant developers. Come check out their Twitter page. Amazing stuff happening here, guys. And if you really want, I'll even go and follow there. And I would like to follow the Rweave page for sure. Okay, so anyways, that's Quant in a little nutshell. Let's go and check out the price. But before we do that, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. And give the video a thumbs up. I would love to see 20 thumbs ups on the video minimum, guys. Let's do it. Alrighty, so what we are looking at is coming up to an overbought RSI, but the volume is slowing down. You guys can see all of that busy happening right now. Now, the one thing that I need to just make very, very aware to you that let's go and have a look at the market cap here. So $1.5 billion. Now, guys, there isn't another cryptocurrency that's basically using quantum computing. Let us go and have a look at potentially what we could see this market cap bust up to if it just had to do a 10x from the all-time high, which would give us a $50 billion market cap. Well, let's go and see. So 50, 500, 5,000, 50,000, 500,000, 5 million, 50 million, 500 million, 5 billion, 50 billion, divided by 1,500, 15,000, 150K, 1.5 million, 150 million, 1.5 billion. Okay, let's go and see what this is. Whoa! And I love all the threes that are happening for us right around here. That was 333 just now, all over here. Look at all those threes. That tells me that this is more accurate than you would like to believe. I believe a $50 billion market cap for Quant is super achievable. Perhaps in the next bull cycle even, guys. I think that is actually quite realistic for Quant, especially considering what it does. And the liquidity that it has and the investors that it brings into the space. So a 333x times the current price of 103.33, let's just say 33, would give us a $34,443 Quant price. Do you guys believe that it will hit that? What are your price predictions for Quant? I would love to know exactly what my community thinks about Quant. Where do you guys think Quant is going? What do you think is going to happen with the price in the next bull cycle? Guys, that's a 333x for a project like this. It is doable. It may not hit it in the next bull cycle, but I believe that it has a high potential to hit it in the next bull cycle. And essentially that would give us a $34,443 price on Quant from where we are today. You could literally just spend $100 and you would convert $100. If you're patient enough to wait for it to hit this price, you would be able to convert $100 into $34,500. Now, I said to you guys very, very simply, right? I just want to go and show you guys something. I said to you guys, if you spent $100 in Quant, you would get 1 Quant. If you spent $1,000 in Quant, you get 9.67 Quant. So let's just say $1,000 is pretty affordable for people, right? So let's go here. 9.67 coins with $1,000 times 34,443 would give us, you would literally convert $1,000 into $333,000. So what would it take for you to become a millionaire? Well, that would be pretty decently, it would be pretty decent to check. I would say that with $3,000, you could become a millionaire, obviously, because that's what it would be. So that's how you would become a millionaire. So $3,000 investment would give you 29 of these coins. So you would need 30, or call it 30 of these coins to become a millionaire in Quant. Now, if you had $10,000 spent here, you would get 97 coins. 97 coins times 34443 give you 3,343,000. So you become a multi-millionaire with a $10,000 investment. Are you guys doing that? How much Quant do you guys have down below? What are your personal accumulation goals? My personal accumulation goals are 100 Quant. I would love to get 100 Quant. Thanks for being here, guys. Remember to get my links down below so you can trade this with me. Thanks for being here with me on the channel. Appreciate it. Make sure to watch this one. It was even better than this one.